if that does anything. Ooh, low-key, I caught that. Most of it's coming from the west side. Most of it's coming from, like, northwest. Salina, Kansas. It's not even starting to rain yet. Oh, most likely because the storm's not even here yet, so that makes sense. God dang. There's just lightning going on. Lightning galore. And I'm gonna stop this video here soon. I just want to look at the few lightning strikes. Oh, few lightning strikes here. That was a big one. Once it hits like 30 minutes, then yes, I'm gonna stop the video.